Alright guys, so doing a quick video on quick couch flip I got. I buy and resell couches. This is one I picked up about probably 3 days ago. This one I thought would have sold a lot faster, but it didn't. I'm selling it for $400, close to $400. Bought it for a little under $200, so quick, like $200 profit. Delivering it half an hour to Wickenburg and loaded up on the Cummins truck trailer setup. And shout out to my girlfriend for helping me load it up. Let's go on, okay? And yeah, we're gonna go drop this thing off and just kind of show you the process of it and show you how to make a quick extra $100 on the weekend if you want a little side hustle. So here we go. Alright guys, so we dropped it off. I didn't film like inside their house or anything, just kind of feel weird about
because
filming.
that's weird.
What?
So, because that's weird.
Oh yeah, because it's weird. But it looked great inside their house. Thank you for Annika to help me deliver it. It made it easier. Yeah, so I bought this couch for $200 a couple days ago and literally did nothing to it, and then sold it a couple days later for $400 basically. It made $200, and all I did was pick it up and deliver it. So if you've got a truck, literally to make some extra cash on the side, just look for nice leather sectionals. Sectionals are gonna be your money makers. You can look for like the electric recliners, but those are so heavy to move, like destroy your back. So try to stay away from those unless you just are like, F it, I'll try one. I've done plenty. I've made hundreds, maybe close to $1,000 off of them. But yeah, I would stay away from them though. They destroy your back. Buy a back brace. But either way, that's it. Quick, easy $100, and those people are happy with the new couch. So win-win. So thanks for watching. Until next time.
Peace out, bitches.